Hey friends, we're gonna draw space.
Yeah, and then when you open up the paper, there's going to be an astronaut floating in space.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun, and we hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're going to put our marker off to the side and fold our paper first. Let's take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, and then crease it down the middle. Then we'll take this top flap, and we're going to line it up with the top edge, and then crease that one down. Now we can flip our paper over and repeat that step. We'll take the top flap, line it up with the top edge, and fold it down. This is just a guide fold, so we can unfold it, flatten it out, and then flip our paper back over. And when we're all done, it should open up like this.
Yes.
Then we'll also add a scratch piece of paper underneath our drawing paper just to protect our table because we're using markers to draw with.
Yes.
Let's start with drawing one planet up here in the top left. I'm going to draw a circle, but draw it over or on top of, above this folded line in the middle. Yeah, now let's draw another circle. We'll draw it down here below the fold. We could draw it the same size, or you could draw it smaller. Let's add even more planets. I'm going to draw another one right here. This one's smaller. And maybe one more over here. This one's a lot smaller. What planet should this one be?
Earth.
Okay, let's do it. We're going to add squiggly lines. And don't worry about trying to make it look exactly... I don't know what continent that is.
Yeah.
But
it's the wiggly
this
continent.
is the wiggly one. I'm going to draw another one right here. And I don't know which one that one is either. I'm going to draw also a wiggly line up here. And don't worry about making it look exactly like mine. You can change yours. You could make it look more accurate too if you want. Oh, and I'm going to add a funny face to my Earth. I'm going to draw two eyes. We'll color them in, but leave little highlights. And then a smile. Now we could add more details to each of these other planets, but let's leave them just like that. Let's open up our paper and we can flatten out the fold so it's easier to draw on. Now let's draw the folding surprise. So everything we're drawing now is below this top fold and above the bottom fold. That way when we fold it back up, it'll be hidden. So let's first add let's draw a big circle for
The sun.
this. It could be the sun or Mars.
Okay, cool. Mars is bigger than the Earth. Or maybe it's just closer.
Yeah.
That's a little wobbly right there.
That's okay. Mine's wobbly too. We're just practicing. Okay, now let's draw our astronaut. I'm going to draw them right here. I'm going to draw a head. Then we can draw, I love how many circles we have on our drawing.
Yeah.
Then we're going to draw the front of the helmet. So this could be the mask. Let's draw a little C shape on the left and backward C on the right for the earpiece. Then we can draw the spacesuit. I'm going to draw two lines coming down on each side. And then we're going to draw the feet or legs coming in on each side. And then we can connect them together. And then let's draw the arms. I'm going to draw one sticking out to the left and out to the right. Next, we can add two lines on each arm. Oh, and also the legs. Then let's draw a square on the chest. And we could also draw the waist. There's our little astronaut. Now let's draw the spaceship next. We're going to draw it off to the side. I'm going to draw it coming up to a point and then coming back down. And make sure that we draw all of this above this bottom fold. Just a little reminder. Then we can draw the wings on each side. I'm going to draw a sideways letter V. Then let's draw a squished letter V right in the middle. And then we can connect the top. Then let's connect the bottom of the rocket. Oh, and let's draw the engine sticking out the bottom. So I'm going to draw a little rectangle shape. Let's draw a couple more and each one gets smaller. And maybe just one more. Then we can draw the rocket coming out of the back, but make sure I'm getting really close to the fold.
Yeah, me too.
Then let's draw the window for our astronaut to look out of our spaceship. I'm going to draw another circle inside. And you guys at home can also pause the video and add more details or change the details. We got the top of our rocket. Then let's draw the tether to our spaceman or woman so that he doesn't float away. I'm going to draw another curved line that connects to him. Let's add one more planet. This one can have rings. I'm going to draw it smaller off in the distance. I'm going to draw an upside down U or a half circle. And then we can draw the ring coming out to the side, going over to the other side and connecting back in. And then we can do that same shape but bigger for the outside of the ring. And then right at the bottom we can finish the planet sticking out below.
That's Saturn.
Oh yeah, with the ring.
Yep.
Let's leave our drawing just like this, but we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will speed up, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to use our drawings as inspiration for yours. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our space, and it looks awesome.
I love it.
We filled in the background, so it really does look like space. We also used our white paint marker to add the stars after we filled it in.
Yes.
And we even added more funny faces, but we should show our friends the inside.
Okay.
Okay, on the countdown from three.
Three, two,
1,
one, lift
space!
off.
Oh, lift off makes more sense.
I like space though.
I especially love your son with the sunglasses. And I added a funny face to my Mars. I think that's Mars. And my son's a little bit smaller. Now our friends can change their drawings any way they want. You don't have to do it just like us. You can add more things, different planets.
Or even more astronauts.
Oh, that would make it even better.
I also added some asteroids too.
Oh, those are super cool. Next time I'm gonna add those.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your space.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take time to color your drawings and add more things. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.